10web automatically backs up your websites and keeps restore points. To access advanced backup options, you will need to enable the backup service. Here is how to enable backup services for your website. Log into your 10web dashboard, click on the website where you want to enable the service. You will find the service to the left of your dashboard. Click on Backups, then click on Enable Now button. To make your first backup, click on Backup Now. You can configure your backups by navigating to the Settings tab. Here, choose to include or exclude content from your backups. For a full backup, choose both files and database. Delete previous backups. Set the minimum backup points. Once you have configured your backup settings, don't forget to click Save. With the 10web Backup service, you can also schedule automatic backups of your websites. In your Backups page, navigate to the Scheduling tab. Click on the toggle to enable scheduling. Then choose the timeline of your backup depending on the type of website you have. You can also specify the start time and day of your backups. Then, when you are done customizing your automatic backup schedule, click Save and you are done. You can access your backups from the Backup tab. Here you will see a calendar with dots on the days that you have backed up your website, along with a list of all of your backups. Navigate to a specific date by clicking on the marked dot on the calendar. Restore your website or download a backup by simply clicking on the corresponding buttons.